So in this video, I'll be showing you how to restore a backup from a USB storage device to your Samsung Galaxy Z TriFold. Now, if you had previously created a backup file on your storage device and you would like to restore it onto your TriFold, then this is what you're going to do. You're going to go ahead and just ensure that you've connected your USB storage device, whether it's a hard disk, SSD, micro SD, all sorts of things, to your phone. And once you've successfully connected them, then you can go ahead and open the Settings app. Under Settings, scroll and select Accounts and Backup, and then choose External Storage Transfer. From here, you can see it's automatically detected the backup file that was saved on this USB flash drive. So you're just going to go ahead and select that backup. Then it will successfully detect the data. Then just go ahead and select what you want restored and simply wait for the restoration to complete itself. This can be incredibly useful, especially if you had completed a factory data reset and you would like to restore every single bit of data that was previously on your phone. So go ahead and wait patiently as it finishes the restoration. And then once it's complete, it will start organizing the data that's been transferred. From there, you can just tap on Next and select Done, and the process is complete. Now you can go ahead and just unmount or eject the device from your phone, and you've successfully restored data from an external storage backup. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.